Hello, everyone. Let's have it here and welcome to Sunday Live. And we have crossed 80K subscribers. That's an amazing thing. So, who is here? So, let's see who is here. Karan Singh. Hi, Karan. I haven't came to live. That's great. You are here, and we have crossed 80K subscribers. This is really, really amazing. 20 more to go for 100K. Let's see who is going to join us today. It's a little late, 11:18 here, and I was doing some other work actually. Hey, Rivash is there. Hi, Rivash. How are you? How was your weekend? Good, Pia. Nice. Thanks. Thanks, Rivash. Thanks, good, Pia. Yes, Guitar Promise is still there, but 20 subscribe, 20K subscriber more. Next course. Next course is about Django, but I'm not working currently on Django course because I'm working on my SaaS product, which is GrowX, a social media automation tool. So I'm constantly working on that. But this month I'm hiring some team, so team will take care about the GrowX, and I will come back to this video tutorials. So that will be exciting to come back to tutorials, recording videos, publishing every day, almost every day. So yeah, so the next course is about Django. I got placed in a company as a front-end developer. That's really, really amazing, Karan, and congratulations to you. And can you tell me, uh, like, what's your location, and is it remote, or is it like you need to go to the office? And is this Indian company or outside company, like outside Indian company? Outside from India company. So share your views about this so that other people can also learn how to get job. That's and really that will be really grateful. So Karan, any update from your side? And by the way, once again, I can tell you that if you haven't subscribed to the Bitfumes newsletter, go and subscribe to newsletter from bitfilms.com/newsletters. So it's bitfilms.com/newsletters, because every week I share productivity, development, motivational tips. Plus, the amazing thing is every week I share a quiz on a different language. Sometime on PHP, Python, then Docker. Last one was on the Docker. So every week I share a different quiz. If you participate on the quiz, if you perform well, then you could win a free course from anywhere. Like, it's not just my course. You can take any course from Udemy, from any other websites you have, so if you want, yes, I'm going to give you, and you just need to participate on the quiz and perform well. So this is a very good way to learn new things as well as participate in a giveaway. So this is a every week giveaway. Every week one person will get amazing course. So this is for the newsletters only. So you need to go to the bitfilms.com/newsletters. Okay, so let's see. Mohammed Ishat is there. Happy to hear. Could you please advise when should choose for Livewire and Velina vanilla JavaScript. Livewire, I believe, is only be suited for admin side, or maybe simply saying the section of your website where there is very less traffic, use Livewire. Otherwise, if you have lots of traffic somewhere, do not use Livewire, because Livewire do AJAX request for everything it perform. Okay, so you will have lots of AJAX requests. Like even if you are updating, if you are writing your name, so you will have lots of like AJAX requests. Yes, you can limit it with the debounce effect on Livewire, but still you have to go through the server every time. But if you have a lot of traffic and you are using Livewire, then you will like you are eating lots of resources from the server. So it will be advised to not use Livewire when you are working on a high traffic section of your website. Probably the best place to use Livewire is admin panel or dashboard, where only few people visit every day. Okay, so Revash says, I start my own company. That's great, Revash. This is very nice. It's possible for SEO in Vue.js or Nuxt. In Vue.js, it's hard, but it's very easy in Nuxt.js, and you can easily do the SEO part in Nuxt. So that make your life very easy with the Nuxt, but not with the Vue, because you need to install lots of things. You need to set up the header thing. Everything is already set up in Nuxt. Go with the Nuxt for better SEO. Is any new course on Udemy? Ankit says, but Ankit, I told you I'm working on GrowX, my SaaS application, a social media marketing tool. So I'm very busy on that, not able to record the videos. But as I already said, I have hired some people to work on GrowX. That means I'm free almost to record some videos. So that's the next thing. I will be back on the recording very soon. And then I will have amazing tutorials just like before. Next, Code Pia says, I built a job portal website using your multi-auth level package and with your tutorial, your video tutorial. That's really great. Thank you for letting me know, because I didn't know that who is using my multi-auth package. Then Bidan says, so it is possible to do the dev talk with Korov. I asked Paulos for the laptop, but he is extremely busy. So he said he will be not able to attend. Uh, but maybe later I will try. As I told you, I'm busy in some other work, so I will not able to uh, invite some guests. But yes, we will start the dev talks also. Nishant is congratulating me for 80K, and that's not just for me, that's for everyone who is a part of Bitfilms communities. Everyone who watches the videos on Bitfilms is a part of Bitfilms community. So congratulations to all of you to reach, to have 80K subscribers, 20 more to go for 100K. Now, Karan, I asked Karan for his job and how he get what kind of company he working. So I should share this here on the screen. So Karan says the company name is Tokopedia. Nice name. I will be joining from home. The company is located in Noida. I get profile of SE React developer. Okay, I have learned about web development through random online videos. This is really great. And see, people, if you have experience, yes, you can get job easily. Next, okay, so it is like from the Coursera, Udemy, Docs, Redux tutorial on project and thankfully cracking the interview. That's amazing. And once again, congratulations, Karan. Nikhil says one thing, which is namespace in PHP is a bit confusing, mainly in level auto loading off. Why is I don't think it is confusing. It is so simple. Namespacing. Namespacing is just defining your tree, the directory tree in your application. Okay, Nirav Swami asking for WhatsApp integration in Laravel. Oh, WhatsApp integration. I don't know about WhatsApp API. I think it's not live for everyone. It's for limited or maybe for um, companies, for corporate only. I don't know about. I have not researched about that. Okay, so in which course, let's see this. Hi, which course do you recommend for learning Tailwind and Next? For Tailwind, I suggest you to not go for any course, but just watch the the videos from the creator of Tailwind, who is Adam Wathan. So just go to the YouTube channel of Adam Wathan and then watch his videos on Tailwind. For next years, there are a lot of tutorials. The free tutorials are good for next on YouTube. You can find anyone. I think the Traversy Media already have a nice next year's course. Now, Rivash says, does your multi-auth package work with Jetstream and Level 8? It's not compatible with the Jetstream because Jetstream is totally different thing. But yes, it is compatible with Laravel 8. So no worries. Now, he says, thanks. Why don't you see all courses in Udemy? Are you talking about my course or any course? Can you please clear this thing? What kind of course you're searching and you are not able to find on Udemy? So technical MS. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you for this. And Piyush is also congratulating. So thank you everyone for this. And one more time, go to bitfilms.com and then subscribe to Bitfilms newsletter. Newsletters. Here is the one. This is the comment, and comment is having this nice little URL for Bitfilms newsletter. This is very useful newsletter for everyone. And I have also started writing some blog as in resources. So if you visit the Bitfilms website, you will find the blog section. And on the blog, you will have two latest blog for React resources. And it will not just bound it to React. I will do amazing resources here on the Bitfilms blog. So please do check out that. And if you don't want to check out on Bitfilms website, I will link every blog I write on the newsletter. So check this newsletter and you will get amazing content. I promise you. Okay, next is this one. So it's from Nikhil, sorry, Akhil, and says, sir, to learn Laravel, can we start with the latest version or old version? Always start with the latest version. Don't go with the old version. What happened is that because everyone is working on the latest version, but if you feel like you don't have uh, good content on the latest version, try just one version below. Like if you currently we have level 8 as a latest version. If you learn level 7, it's not going to affect anything. You will be able to perform extremely well on level 8 if you watch the tutorial for level 7. No worries. But don't go with a 6 or 5 point something. That's a drastic change. Now, but you don't post your level 8 tutorial like previous videos on YouTube. Yeah, Codepedia, I was thinking to create like a big course on level, but what happened is like I was waiting for level 9, but then Taylor announced that it now level has yearly cycle instead of 6 month half yearly cycle. So previously I was waiting for like level 9, but since level 9 is going to be released on September, so next maybe I will do a big course with level using level 9. So you need to wait for some months. So it's April and May, June, July, August, September. So it's 5 months. Oh, I should have. So I don't know about that. But yeah, maybe I will try that. Okay, Ramesh says, I never follow full course and documentation when I get some idea, so I start coding and search for tutorial. This is the right way to learn anything. That's great, Ramesh. So Tariq says, brother, we can't wait for 100K. Yeah, I was waiting for so long. Okay. Now, Karan says, why you are not posting 30-second motivational video? I thought people were not liking it. But as you have like requested, I will try to upload another one very soon. Thanks for reminding me about that. I totally forgot that. Now, Muhammad Ishad says the final question. Please share your advice for me. What you suggest to learn deeply from vanilla JavaScript, Livewire, Vue.js? I would suggest to go with vanilla JavaScript because if you know the basic vanilla JavaScript, then you will be able to perform well in Angular, React, Svelte, Vue.js, any JavaScript framework. I'm not suggesting Livewire because Livewire is limited to PHP, especially for Laravel. If you have JavaScript knowledge, you can create, you can use any framework in a week. Like if you don't know React, but if you know JavaScript very well, you can get the React, how to use it in a week or two. So that's my suggestion. Is it Mongo is required for big data SQL is enough? I think big data is totally different thing in my opinion. So yes, Mongo is required, but instead of Mongo and SQL, it's more of a database, like how you query, how you perform query, or it's not like select everything. This is the query syntax or actual query. Uh, I'm talking about the basic concept, how to optimize your database. So if you know that thing, you will apply that on MongoDB as well as on SQL. So that is the actual core of a big data. What big data do? It manages amazingly huge amount of data. So it's not like that can be done with a MongoDB and that cannot be done with SQL. It's all about how you perform your query, and that can only happen if you know how to optimize, how to uh, how to make like what says that how to have the best performance from that database, whatever database you have. Okay, so let's go. Okay, sure. Yeah, Shikari. Level limit, pure level. Which one is best for API? I think nobody's talking about Lumen nowadays. Level is good enough. Coordinated versus level, always level. Coordinator, what's coordinator? Yeah, level is all over the place. Another good book, programming book. So one is like clean code, then one is a pragmatic programmer, then one is the algorithm. I already have introduction to algorithm. Oosh, this is very heavy. This book, Introduction to Algorithm, is amazing book. I have started reading this book. So yeah, these things, these books are very nice. Like Clean Code, Pragmatic Programmer, and Introduction to Algorithms. Ice cream. Hi. Kapil says, hi Sadak, please make a project on Laravel to clear eloquent relation multi-auth traits in Laravel. That's okay. Now, what is your motivation to learn, teach, create project in this ocean field, IT sector? Okay, so its motivation is very simple. Motivation is learning new things. Learning new things one by one, not everything at once. So I always like feel like I have to learn certain technology to do certain things. So if I was learning JavaScript, my motive was to work efficiently on any front-end framework to create website. I was learning Flutter, obviously, to create mobile application. Every every sector, IT sector, has its like own challenges for that particular thing. Like so, for website, you have a different challenges. For applications, apps, mobile apps, you have a different challenges. So at least you should have the knowledge of different uh, sections of IT sector. I'm not saying to master everything. You cannot master everything, but you should have the knowledge. So to gain that knowledge, to learn that different things, uh, that is the simple motivation. So it is simply like why you go for a tour to visit any country or to visit any place of your country or your city. Why you go? You want to explore different things. You want to eat different food, different kinds of food, different culture. You want to explore. Same thing is here. You want to explore different culture, different community, different syntax, different style of writing code. And when you switch between them, like when you switch from Laravel to JavaScript, you are switching your mind. So it's like changing the gear. So that is a motivation, and simply you can learn almost anything. Okay, so for multi-vendor, should we use multiple database? Any idea? That depends upon how big your project is. If you have amazingly great big project, then use multi-database. I don't suggest to have multi-database on a small project. This is the one thing. Second, if you provide backup for database for your users, then it will be good to have a multiple database system. That will be great. So it's not like multi-vendor will always uh, should always have the multiple database. It's totally depend upon the use case. See, in programming, what I have learned is like there is no best thing. Whatever you do to solve your problem is the best. Later, you can change your strategy. So I can give you one example. See, when you were in school, you do the multiplication with pen and pencil, and once you mastered it, you do on your mind. But when you get complex things, high, like complex multiplication, you're not using pen pencil, you're not using your mind, you're using a calculator. So this is a simple thing. As you get the challenges, you change your strategy. So nobody can say that to multiply two and two, you don't have to use calculator. You can use calculator. You can use your memory. You can use pen and pencil. Similarly, if you want to multiply 5264 into 5455, so 5264 into 5455 can be done with in your memory, if you can, can be done with a pen and pencil, and can be done with a calculator. So all three approaches are good. It depends on how you want to accept. Some people try to do things, these kind of multiplication in their head. Some people are comfortable with pen and pencil. Some or most are comfortable with calculator. This is the simple thing. I'm able to use my Hackintosh in my company. Oh, nice. Okay, wish you all the best for your upcoming project. Thank you, Mohammed Irshad. Thank you very much. Can we use Angular with Laravel? Yes, but since Angular is not integrated, you have to do the front end with the Angular and then API on Laravel. Okay, next is I want to develop people like system here in Ethiopia. Which is your best recommendation? I don't know about that. This is totally a uh, payment process system. I don't know about that. Sorry about Ethiopia. ODP, sorry. Good front end framework for Laravel. For Laravel, I say Vue.js. Good. Next, Rigosh says, I'm going to make booking.com system site. I got that project for 500K. So I think I need to use multi-database. Does they also uses that? Okay, so booking.com. I don't think they use multi-database because see multi-database will only be used if you have limited number of user or vendor, limited vendor, but each vendor has tons of data. So less vendor but more data. Then you can use the multi-database. Why? Suppose you have a 1 million vendor. Are you going to create 1 million database and you're going to manage 1 million database? And since 1 million database are there, and suppose if they don't have huge amount of data, then you are just paying for different database. You're not paying for you're totally losing your money. So my opinion is use multi-database when you have less vendor and huge amount of data. Then only. So Edwin says hi, hey. Ribush is having lots of questions today. Nice. I like the questions. Let's build open source project with all victims only. What do you think? Ribush, I tried this but it was not successful. People were not interested on that. It was total failure. What I can say. Uh, no worries. Good morning. Where is 80k rupees giveaway? Tazim. This is like blackmailing. And let's see. Maybe if you are saying this, wish for the growth of Bitfumes so that one day we can give away 80k. So wish that Bitfumes becomes so huge that not only 80k, we can give away 160k. So yeah, maybe I don't know. How you price your Laravel project? That's my question also. I never worked as a freelancer. I never worked for big projects, so that's why I am very bad on pricing and like these kind of things. Which one is best to Angular and React? In my opinion, React is good. So I have a doubt on negative margin and margin collapse in nested block. I don't know CSS well. Demo. Sorry, but I can suggest you one person on Twitter. His name is Pratham. So Pratham is a CSS expert, and he's a college guy and amazingly great person. Almost 50k followers on Twitter. Go on Twitter, ask the same question to Pratham, ask him, and also tell him that I have referred his profile to you for CSS things. So Pratham is the name. Is level is in demand right now? Yes, it is in huge demand. For giving away 80K prize money, you need a sponsor. No, I don't need any sponsor. As I told you, wish for the growth of Bitfumes, and one day we will do 80K giveaway. Okay, okay. So Rivash is asking for Twitter account, and my Twitter account is Savvy. So I can share this on the screen. So this is my, is it correct? Yeah. So this is my Twitter handle. You can go there, DM me if you have any question. Don't forget to follow me. I always say this because I don't have much follower on Twitter. Okay. So Ashish sir is there. Hello sir, how are you? Please give us some advice about your mobile app that you have developed. No, sir, I don't have any mobile app for Bitfumes or anywhere. No, no, I don't have, sir. Sorry. But I'm going to call you, sir, in the evening so that we can discuss if you have any other question. Edwin says, when you say Node.js as an API for your app, where should I start? Just like Laravel for Visual. Go with the Express.js, the simplest. But for nowadays, Nest.js is in demand. So either Nest, or you can use the Express. So you can create the API with them. So, hey, yeah, like this. Hemant, how are you, Hemant? And one is Thunders Gaming. Hi, Thunders Gaming. Nice name. I sometimes wonder like how nice people have their name. It's like very nice name. One more time, join this Bitfumes community, Bitfumes newsletter, and also I'm going to share this Discord channel so that you can also, if you want, because in Discord many people are like there, like Tanzim is there, Hemant is there. Um, I generally not not do this kind of things very often, but yeah, let's see, let's have this. So this is the Discord channel, and here it is. So with this Discord channel, you can join. There are lots of people daily talk, so you can share your ideas. You can ask question. You can help. That's the most important thing. You need to help some other person if they are asking. You can share your ideas, whatever you are doing. Make this community bigger. Make this Discord channel bigger for Bitcoins. Sanjam says enterprise app Nest.js. Cool. Any way to deploy Laravel other than Forge? There are there are many tools. There is one called PHP Deployer. I don't know exactly the PHP Deployer. Is it full name? No, it's deployer.org. So deployer.org is a website where you can use command line to directly deploy. Another thing is you can use the GitHub action to deploy a Laravel application in your server. Once you push, it will auto deploy. This is the simple thing. Oh yeah, Cloudways. One is Cloudways. Sorry, I forgot that. One is Cloudways. Thank you, Edwin. This is another way. Uh, but you know, deploy.org website and GitHub Actions are free. You don't have to think about anything else. Then I told you that there's no difference. It's 5 minute work of deploy anywhere. So I think they have discussed something about deployment on the Discord server. So once again, join this Discord because Tanzin and Heman both are there, and I don't know about Reverse, and I think one more Nishant is also there. So I know very well some people. Okay, so why did you not start freelancing? you start, you make millions. It's not about making millions, it's totally about free of mind. If you have some work, some other people's work, and you have deadline, you have to complete it. I don't know. I have never tried it. Maybe we can discuss about that as you asked me for Twitter. Let's have some chat about freelancing and let's do something. I never tried it. No, actually, I've tried it once when I had started. It's like in 2017, I had done two, three projects, very small projects with Laravel, and also one with Vue.js. But I was not happy with that. I thought let's use that time to create some videos and help others. So that's the motivation, and money is not never the motivation. But I think since Tanzim asked for 80K free 80K rupees giveaway, I should consider millions. Because if I have a million, then I can spend 80K on giveaway very easily. That's good. Now, hello, sir. Which one is the best hosted service for Laravel app? Obviously, Forge. Forge and Dio are the best. Bit expensive. Yeah. Oh, Riff Rocket Gaming. Good morning. Good afternoon. So yeah, good afternoon. Sorry. Expecting tutorial on Django and Fast API combined. Oh, not combined. So Fast API we already have. I'm working on a Django. Maybe later we will combine it. Cool. Muhammad Salim, congratulate. No, so Mohanet Salim is congratulating me. Thank you for that. Oh, that's okay. Revert. I will check that later. Can I learn Angular and Vue because it makes life easier? I suggest Hardeep Singh go with a Flutter or React Native if you really want to make your life super, 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 super easy. Yes. Okay, sir, please give me answer. What was the question? Shakil. Shakil, I think I missed your question somewhere. I'm not able to find your question. For the copy of WP engine panel, they have just modified for Laravel. Ah, that's good thing. What keyboard are you using for Mac? Keyboard is Apple keyboard. I really like Apple keyboard. This is Apple keyboard 2. This so Apple keyboard 2 is very nice because it I charge it once and I use it for a month. Battery backup is a month. Huge battery backup. Similarly, I have this Apple mouse also. So this Apple mouse is really great, and as I said, this is also having a battery backup of 1 month with the normal use, obviously, not extensive use. Okay, no, I don't know about that. I have a WP engine, $1,100 of license. Wow. Any premium course plan this year? Yes, there are. I'm not going to say anything because whenever I say about premium course, later I change the mind. So once I once I record the video, then I go and then announce it. If you have a lot of data in PDF, can I push all data in MySQL? You can use chunking to put the data in your SQL. No worries about that. One video I already have for um, job batching that you can check. I have uploaded 1 million record used from Excel CSV file to database with Laravel. So yes, check out. And if I want to contribute in a project, if you have, and then message me. Yes, Rivash, we will talk about that on Twitter. No worries. Okay, before moving to next question, let's answer Hardeep first. Why React Native Flutter totally different language? My fast learning is not useful then. I won't say not useful, but see, if you are not changing, if you're not learning new things, you will not be able to grow in IT world. In IT world, every 6 months there is an amazingly drastic change in the technology. So you always have to keep you up to date. So I strongly suggest go with Flutter, Flutter, Flutter. But I have given you the option of React Native because since you already have the JavaScript knowledge. So that's why I suggest you to React Native. Otherwise, what's fly? So otherwise, Flutter is really great. We are programming. I want to do. I tried once. Nobody came. Maybe later we will try. So this is, I think, spam. Yes, I should block this user. Next. Is it possible to check if the domain project is running any package or code? Is it possible to check if in which domain project is running? In which domain you mean say like which language they are using? If yes, there are lots of Chrome extensions are there. Okay, Jagrati asking what is Laravel with AWS? I'm new to Laravel. I have an idea about AWS. So simple, Laravel deploying on Amazon Web Services. So yeah, that's a simple thing. Laravel is a PHP framework. AWS is a cloud. So if you upload the Laravel on the cloud, that's a simple thing. But I don't have any video on this AWS. I should create that also. SQLite, Postgres, MySQL. SQLite, less database for in-memory kind of thing. Maybe for testing. Postgres, great. MySQL, popular and useful for basic things. I suggest Postgres over MySQL because there are a lot of benefit of Postgres over MySQL. But I personally not use Postgres because MySQL fulfill all my problems or fulfill all my requirements. I don't find any need of Postgres, but people are using Postgres over MySQL because it's all a lot of different problems MySQL has. Any package to media to generate different size of image depending on size on the go. Use PHP intervention package or there is a Sparsy media library package. These two packages are great. Go with that. I think it's time to end this live because I'm tired. Is it possible to check in which domain my project is? Same thing. How to protect media file from stealing on website? Oh, you cannot do. Yes, even big like movies, like web series are not safe. So I say there is no option. Okay, one more time, I can say that please do join the Bitfumes newsletter because every Monday I share tips, tricks, blog articles, and one giveaway. So if you want uh, to have a free course from anywhere, like from Udemy, from anywhere, you can ask me if you want the quiz. So you have to perform well on the quiz. Next. How to protect that's done. Reverse install license that make. Okay, that's it. How are you? Can you run Q for always? BTM, BMT, BM Temim. So Temim, you can use the supervisor on your server to run the queue work always on Laravel. After creating a load balancer as such is not connecting, maybe you have actually disabled that SSH. You have disabled that firewall on your Ubuntu, I think. Devarshi Das says if you level web socket beyond code package for a really big, we should server for like we should use a separate server for WebSocket. Yes, you're right. You have to use. By any plans on Vue.js in any Vue? Yes, Vue.js we will use. We will yes use Vue.js later courses. So see, this person is on Discord. Bye bye. See you in Discord. Okay. Waiting list. Waiting last 6 days for this live. Oh, that's good. I mean, thank you for this. Okay, so I think this is the time to end this live, and we will meet on the next Sunday, same time to have this kind of chat. Okay, so I'm going to end this live. Bye bye, everyone. And if you want to connect, as I told you, you can connect on this Discord channel also. Cool. Okay, so someone is saying, where is that? Someone is saying 1:30 a.m. here in Jamaica. I cannot. Okay, so today, yes, I was late. I was late half an hour. I will try to do this live next Sunday at correct time. Sorry about that. This person is also on Discord. Okay, so last question.